guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing another Splendies unboxing. I love Splendies. It is a monthly subscription service where you get underwear sent to your door. You can like stop it at any time. Like there's no like weird contracts with it, and I really appreciate that about it. And then you can either pick like covered panties, thongs, or like a mix, which I think is really fun as well. And they carry so many different sizes. So I am so excited. This is the packaging. This is the little bag that it comes in. It does say Splendies right there. And then this always has a cute little Splendies sticker on it as well. So let's see what this month had in store. Oh, so cute. So these are these really cute, kind of like hip hugger, cheeky style panties. They have that purple lace trim all around and they have bows and they are so soft. Like this is my total vibe. Like I love really, really girly panties and these are freaking perfect. I love them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so these are a no-show hip hugger panty. This print is so cute and they have that thicker band. Oh my God. So Victoria's Secret used to have like a no-show panty that had like a slightly thicker band and it was really great material and it was just everything and they discontinued it. This is like that panty. I am so excited. Oh, and then guys, I am a size 11 pant and I buy these in large and they fit perfect. Like in the subscription, I get large. These are so cute. Okay, and then this is the third pair of panties. So they are black and tan. And they have this really cute keyhole design on the back. Hold on, the camera got like kind of blown out. Keyhole design, and it's got like a little bit of like a scrunchy butt to it too. These are so cute, and they're like a mesh material, like a see-through mesh. These are so cute. These remind me of like the Victoria's Secret sexy little thing cheekies. I think that's what they're called. That's what they used to be called. But these are so, so cute. I'm literally obsessed with every single color that I got this month. Oh my God, I swear, like, I love these panties. The material is really similar to the Victoria's Secret, like, Body by Victoria model fabric, if you're familiar with that. And I do think that Splendies run a little bit smaller. Like in Victoria's Secret panties, I get a medium, and these ones I do get a large. So just be mindful of that if you want to sign up for this subscription. But it is literally one of my favorite subscriptions that I get. The quality is amazing. Like if I could just go to a store and buy Splendies panties, I would. Hey Splendies, if you're watching this, you should just sell these on top of your subscription because I think a bunch of us would probably buy them in bulk too. They're just so cute. And like how sexy are these little panties too? Like no one's gonna see them but me, but like I'm gonna feel so good wearing these. And like I think that's what's so cool is you get such a cool mix. Like in this, we got a really girly cotton pair, we got a no-show fabric, and then got like a really like sexy black and tan color as well. And I think it's really cute that they come packaged in the little tissue paper as well. But I'm gonna double check, but I did have a discount code for Splendies. It just was Splendies in all caps, and it did give you a percentage off your first month. So if that code still works, it's not like an affiliate code with me, it's just like a Splendies sign up code. I will definitely link it in the box below. I do also have a link with Splendies because I have my own subscription that if you click my link, which is always in my subscription box, I get a free pair of panties and then you get a discount on signing up too. Very similar to like the Fashion Nova or like ColourPop codes where it's like if you refer someone, you get a little something. That's what that is. So if you're curious what that link always is in my description box, that's what it is. So if you would like to sign up, your girl gets a free pair. Hey. And Splendies is always really cool about that too. Like sometimes in my videos in the past, they've seen it and sent me a free pair as well. So Splendies, shout out to you guys. I really appreciate that. Like that is really, really special. And it makes me feel good as a consumer as well because like this is a subscription that I actually, you know, do sign up for and is really, really exciting. I have partnered with Splendies as well. So it is just a brand that I really, really like. The quality is incredible. Some of the quality is actually better than like Victoria's Secret panties in my opinion. No shame to VS because y'all know I love me some VS and I do VS videos all the time. But some of their panties, like literally the quality is out of this world and they're so comfortable. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have this Splendies subscription as well, let me know what panties you got this month because everyone does get different ones really catered to what you like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.